How's it going, everyone? Welcome to this very quick tutorial. Been asked this quite a lot, so I decided to make a video because it's probably going to help some people out. Asking how they can have a collection that will only show products that are on sale. So this is basically how you do it. Very simple. You just go and create an automatic collection. You set the compare it price here as the condition. And you set that is greater than 0. What that does essentially is it looks at all your products. It looks for the ones that have a compare it price set, which will only be the ones that are on sale. And it will look and see if there's a price that's greater than 0, which they all will be. And that will then pull that product into this sale collection. Now, as an added bonus, let's say you want to also only show products that are in stock because you don't want to waste people's time because you're running a really fast sale. And if people are on your product collection and they can't find products that are in stock, it just gets frustrating. So to avoid that, you can add another condition here. You can just go here, inventory stock is greater than 0. That will also look at products that have greater inventory than 0, meaning they'll have a minimum at 1 or more, and it will show those products in the collection. If they have less than 1, that means that they're out of stock and it's not going to show that product in this collection. I hope this video helps. If it did, please do give it a like and maybe subscribe to the channel. I'll be putting out lots of quick little video tutorials like this to help people learn Shopify a bit quicker. And if you're interested in signing up for Shopify, I have a free trial and link down below where you can sign up, and I'll set you up with a free trial, which will give you an unlimited free trial. It means you can set up your store, and once you're ready to go live, then you can start to pay to go live with that. So thanks very much for watching and have a great one.